Hello all, this is practical question number 4. Write a Python program to generate prime numbers between different intervals. Simply I can define prime number is a number which have no factors if one and itself is ignored. Another definition is also there. Prime number is a number which have only two factors, one and itself. So let us start. I will take first number fn is equals to integer of input of enter first number, then Sn is equals to integer of input of enter second number, done, print prime numbers between fn and Sn are. So this is the line just I would like to generate. Now I would like to call the function for n in the range called range function of range of from where to where means fn comma Sn plus 1. I am including because the last number won't be included, that's why I am including. If I say n greater than 1 for I in range of 2 comma n, I am not taking plus 1 here because I don't want to include the number, it seems, as I am not including 1 here, right? That is my first definition which I am going to test. If n percentile I double equals to 0, then simply break, it is not a prime number, else print that value of, what is that value, sir? That value called n. That's it, that is the program with us. Here this else to be associated with the for loop, then we will get the output of the code. Let us run the program. 1 and let us say 10. 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers between 1 and 10. Yes. I will run again. 1, then 50. So these are the prime numbers which are been there between 1 and 50. So this else block is not with this if, right? This else block is associated with this for loop, that you must remember. Okay, that's all in this program. Thank you.